yeah, I'm Helen. Vincent is that right? Yeah, very good from us.
Just a small concept of a small concept or idea to make our brand popular, or just give all the visitors impression onto their mind. Wiswa there, Wiswa over there, everywhere is Wiswa.
Actually, how to spell your name? The Wiswa.
Wiswa.
I'm trying to search how to spell your brand name before I came here.
And my name is Vincent.
Vincent. Yeah, I'm Helen. Yeah, today is the first day of our exhibition, the Guangzhou Intellectual Lighting Exhibition. Yeah,
there are many visitors, beyond our expectation.
Many big
the COVID-19 is everywhere, both abroad and in China.
Yeah.
So before this opening, we thought, wow, maybe it's just a real Guangdong provincial exhibition.
Or maybe we need to cherish this opportunity. Maybe in the coming years, we don't know whether the Frankfurt or the Max Frankfurt maybe they can open or not. So we cherish every time. Yeah.
Yes, we got lots of customers overseas, abroad in the States, Europe, and UK, and some Asian countries, nearly 98% of them, they cannot, it's a great pity for them. They cannot, physically come right over here to visit us, but some of them, they got some local facilities, Chinese offices, and they can, send their representatives to come over here. We have, great, talks. And some carol, dining together, just like a great time, spending together. Oh, anyway, let me give some general introduction about Wiswa. Thank you. And hello, everyone. This is Vincent, a sales manager from Wiswa Lighting. Today, it's a great honor, on behalf of Wiswa, I will give you a show around our booth. First of all, please allow me to make a simple introduction about Wiswa Lighting. Wiswa Lighting is a LED strip manufacturer that is passionate and specialized since 2009. And our plant is fully certified and complies with ISO 9001 2015 standard. As a member of BSCI, we are also listed by CE, RoHS and UL in SER, QSA, and C-TPAT. And today I will give you a mini tour in our booth. Generally, I would like to divide our booth into 3 parts. Part 1 is about the reception and exhibition area called mini testing equipments in our laboratory. And part 2 is about our products. We just presenting the products into 2 parts. One part is the CUV strip. The other part is the SMT, the regular LED strips. And the other part is in the center of our booth. It's some communication for the visitors and for our customers. And okay, follow me. I will give you a brief tour around in our booth.
Oh, it has a very beautiful.
This is the reception area. Follow me. Sorry, now I need to let you guys to see the real face of Vincent. And this is for the product presentation area. This is for CUV. Please follow me. In this area, you will see a great comparison between the CUV and the regular SMD strips. So you see, a very great comparison between the lighting effect of CUV and SMD. Perfect linear, it's a perfect linear lighting effect, dotless, and this is, you know, not dotless, it's dot form. You can see dots by dots by dots. Okay, you know, I need to cover my face again, you know. It's not easy to become a star. I need to cover my face. Okay. Anyway, this is two display boards giving the visitors, the customers, great idea about the strong points of CUV. Perfect linear lighting effect, and compare with the SMD, even 700 LEDs cannot give a, you know, perfect linear lighting effect. And the other side, you know, displaying nearly all the series of our CUV products, from the IC, we call it ultra long, give you, 20 meters long, better than the regular 5 meter long per reel. And the mini cutting, I repeat, we can achieve 7.58 millimeter. That's, quite challenging, in the whole CUV industry. And the other part, we have some, hot seal series, and also for the projects high quality. High quality is the first. And also we have the ultra slim series. The ultra slim we can achieve is 3 millimeters wide.
Very slim. Yeah.
Very slim,
Yeah,
very narrow. Can, conquer all the challenge, that our customer is going to face in the end application. And also we have the 5 voltage that will give our customer at the end, application very comfortable, easy, connection. Even you are driving, you can connect easily in the automobile. And it's also 5 voltage, it's super safe to human body. And also this is the changeable color. We can adjust, from different temperature, from the low, the warm white to neutral white, even to cold white. And also, these are for the single color one. And we got, CUV for the RGB, both 12 voltage and 24 voltage available. So this is, display for the whole CUV. And also, this is some videos we took in our workshop. And just, from this whole morning, many visitors just ask me, do you make the CUV strips by yourself? I just, easily let them to see these videos because these are real one we took in our workshop. And also, we just send our invitation, to come to our factory to have, a physical visit, and then they will know the fact.
Yeah.
Because,
to
the real things, the real stuff we make, every day. And monthly capacity is 500,000 meters. That's, a great number in the current CUV industry. Okay, let me show you the SMD. The other part for the product is the SMD products. We're gonna 4 display panels. Can you give them a close-up, please? Okay, thank you, sir. These are, for the waterproof materials or waterproof methods. Our waterproof grades ranges from EPI 5.4 to EPI 6.8. We have many options, and this one, the heat shrink tube, is the best option. I would like to share with you. Okay, you need some, squeeze out the time, right?
Our camera, not too much power.
Okay, I understand. The second one is the digital. You can have all fancy, running, just like horse by horse, like, running water. Different, lighting effect. Always give, the audience great, feeling, just like, they are experiencing, some holidays or celebrations, New Year's,
good
Christmas.
for advertisement.
Yeah, yes. And these are the RGB. The RGB, R is short for red, G for green, B for blue. It means different color, three colors. And this one we call it the dual white. We can easily by control the strip to give or to display two different color in white. We call it warm white, neutral white, or cold white.
Okay.
And here is some RGBW means the colors with white.
RGBW.
Yeah, and RGB CCT means some color, and you can adjust the temperature. And this one is for the high efficiency, give you more lumens. The typical one we see 8 LEDs per cut. This is for the perfect, for the regular one. And for the projects in Wisva's, the projects always means higher quality.
And how about the warranty for the project?
You mean the warranty or the currency?
Warranty for the products.
Oh, we have 3 years.
3 years.
From 3 years to 5 years. That depends, the customer's requirement. So the highest, lumen, per watts we can achieve is 160, really high, really, shining. And the last one is about the ERP. This is the newest, requirement or standards, that is going to be applied from the 1st of September this year.
Yeah, may I have your name card? Your name card, yeah.
Let me, this one. Okay. Let me get one for you. Okay. Thank you. Let me correct you. This is charged.
Maybe here's also okay. 这个也行，这个也行吧。这个是。Okay. You take a picture, for Vincent's name card and.
Wisva.
Yeah. Wisva. If you have any inquiry and products samples, and you can answer Vincent.
Just feel free to contact me.
Yeah.
Drop me an email, or you can add in my WeChat. Just the cell phone number.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, you guys. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Helen. Bye. Bye.